Good evening, everyone.
Good evening,
Good
sir.
evening.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Let's get started. Let us discuss the question paper. So why? Because I didn't post the results. So the reason behind not posting the results is, so let us discuss the question paper. If any changes, so that I can make a changes over there, then I can post it out. So without changing the results, I cannot post, right? Oh, this is number list. I'm not sure. Look at the first question. If 2 comma 0 is a solution of linear equation, what is the value of k? Make it fast.
Sir, it's
Well,
4, sir.
hello, everyone. Don't tell
Second.
guys, please listen to me. Who's that? Don't tell me the answer. Like, you just post your answers privately. Very good. Very good. Good. Very good.
So you were asking something?
Sorry?
So you were asking something? I didn't hear you.
No. I'm not asking anything, guys. I'm asking you to post your first question answer.
Sir, we have post.
Yes, very good. Privately, guys. Private chat in this is not WhatsApp, guys. Please try to post in your Zoom chat box. Everyone, have you posted? Everyone, have you guys
Yes,
all?
sir.
Have you?
Yes,
Have you
sir.
guys
Yes,
all posted? Yes, very
Yes,
good.
sir.
Yes, sir. Posted.
Yes, posted.
The answer is 4.
Yes, very good, guys. If you substitute 2 comma 0 in a given equation, you will be getting the answer. Very simple, right? Answer 4 is correct. Option D is correct. Look at the second question.
Sir, the answer is infinite many.
I didn't ask anybody, right? I didn't ask anybody, guys. Please try to cooperate. What if
Sir,
I ask?
every question we have to reply.
Yes. What I'm telling, if you know the answer, you can just respond. Understand? So how many linear equations in x and y can be satisfied by x is equal to 1 and x y is equal to? Make it fast. Don't look at the screen and just try to find the answer over there. Make it fast. Make it fast. Done.
Yes, sir, done.
Yes, sir. Done.
What is the answer? Infinitely many solutions. Infinitely many solutions. So option C is correct. Next. What about the third one? Third question. Look at the third question.
Then I replied privately. That question also.
Third question for equation 5x minus 7y is equal to 35. Y is equal to 5, find the value of x. Very simple question. C option is correct. Any doubt in that?
No, sir. No doubt.
No, sir, please
Yes,
hold
yes.
on. Oh, yeah.
Yes. A linear equation in two variable has maximum infinite number of solution. Option C. Option C is correct. Very simple. So if the line represented by the equation 3x plus alpha y is equal to 8 passes through the point 2 comma 2, then find the value of alpha. Make it first. Answer is 1. Answer is 1. Very simple. Which of the following equation is a parallel to y-axis?
X is equal to A.
X is equal to A.
Equal to A.
Yes, sir.
X is equal to
A.
A.
X is equal to A is the right answer. So 3x plus 10 is equal to 0 will has how many solutions?
Unit solution.
Unit
Unique solution, sir.
Unique solution.
Unique means what? One solution, which is x is equal to minus 10 by 3 is one solution. Very simple. So the graph x is equal to 3 is a line is what? Parallel to y-axis.
Parallel to y-axis at a distance 3 units above the origin.
Very good. So option B is correct. So graph of linear equation 3x 5x plus 3y is equal to 10 is a line which meets the x-axis at the point. So you just trial and error method. Substitute all the options. Substitute all the given options. Whichever the option is getting satisfied the given equation, that is your answer. Understand, guys?
So instead of that, we can simply take the y value as 0 and we
Yes.
can do it.
Yes. That is
That will
also
be
correct.
better.
Look at this. Ninth question. What was that? 5x plus 3y is equal to 10. Guys, you remember the option 0, 3, 3, 0, 2, 0, 0, 2. Zero, 2, 0, right? Yes. Yes, look at
Yes,
it.
sir.
Substitute one by one, guys. Look at this here 0, 3, 15. Sorry, 9. So this is not possible. 15. This is not possible. This is what 0, 2, right? This is not possible. So this is possible. Option D is correct. Option D is correct, guys. Look at this here 5 to 10 plus 0. 10 is equal to 0. Option D is correct. Option D is correct. Any doubt, guys? Sorry, option
No,
D.
sir.
So sorry, here 2, 0. I wrote here wrongly, guys. This is supposed to be my D option. 1 second, guys. This is here 2, 0. Here 0, 2. So option C is correct. Now clear? Option C is correct.
Yes, sir.
So the graph x is equal to line is a straight line intersecting what?
Parallel to Y.
X-axis. Parallel to x-axis.
Parallel to y-axis.
Parallel to
Y
y
axis.
Right, it's y, right? Y is
Y
equal to A. It's x-axis.
No, x is equal to 9, meaning x equal to a. So it will be parallel to y axis.
What is the question is y is equal to A, not x is equal to A.
X is equal to A. X is
Yeah,
equal to
x equal to 9.
C.
Sorry, I was seeing next question.
X is equal to 9 is a straight line which is going to be parallel to y-axis, not x-axis.
Yes, I was seeing the next question. Y is equal to.
Now graph y is equal to is a straight line parallel to x-axis. Very simple.
X parallel.
X axis.
Guys, don't mug up this. Look at this here. Don't mug up anything. Let us solve this. If this is my 0, this is my x, this is my y. X is equal to 9 means it will be x is equal to 9 means it will be somewhere here, right? If I draw this one, what I'm going to get? So which is going to be
Sir,
parallel?
y can anyway y can be any value, sir. So it's a straight line parallel to x-axis. I mean, yeah,
Sorry,
it's a straight line parallel to y-axis.
y-axis. Yeah. Now y is equal to a graph. If I write y is equal, one second. Y is equal to a graph. Y is equal to a graph. Look at this here. Y is equal to a means this is my x-axis, this is my y-axis. It is going to be like this. Right, parallel to x-axis. Very simple.
Yes, yes.
So solution of the equation. What is the solution of that? Solve that 3x minus 5 is equal to x plus 1. So 12th
So
question.
6, sir.
So 3x minus 2x is equal to minus 5, which will become plus 5 plus 1. So 1x is equal to 6. 1x is equal to what? 6 here. Next, 13th question. The area of triangle formed by the line. Guys, tell me how many of you did correctly.
I did it.
I did it, sir.
Sir, I did it.
Hello, area of the triangle formed by the line 2x plus 5y is equal to 10 and the coordinate axis is what? 2x plus 3y is equal to 10. Now 5y is equal to 10. Now answer. 5y,
By sir.
5y.
5y is equal to 10.
The 5 square units.
So look at this here. Guys, how can we solve this? Look at this first. If you take x value 0, what is going to be y value?
2, sir.
If y value is 0, what is going to be x value?
5.
5.
So what are the
Sir.
coordinates of what I got now? X comma y is equal to 0 comma 2. What are the coordinates of x comma y here? 5 comma 0.
5 comma
5
0.
comma
Five.
0.
Let us plot on the graph now. This is my x-axis, this is my y-axis. So this is my 0, here 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. 1, 2, 3 and so on. All right. So 1 second, let us extend this. This is my 5, right? Guys, look at this here. 0 comma 2. 0 comma 2 means it will be here. Isn't it?
Sir.
And 5 comma 0 means it will be here. Isn't it? So look
Yes,
at,
sir.
if I join this together, what I'm going to get? I'm going to get triangle. This one, I'm going to get triangle.
10 units is the area.
No,
No,
sir, 5
5.
10
units.
square
It's into
units.
It's
5
half
units.
BH.
One second, boys and girls. Look at this. So what is he's asking area of triangle? What is area of triangle formula? Half into base,
Base into height.
Base
So
into
what is
height.
base here? What? How many units we have?
5.
5 units.
Base.
5 units.
How many units? This is 5 units. This is how many units height? Height is 2.
2.
2 units.
2 units.
Is equal half into base is 5 units, height is 2 units. 2 will get cancelled. Answer is 5 units.
Yes, sir.
Area of triangle. Understood, guys? Any doubts?
No doubt, sir.
Any
No
doubts?
doubt.
Doubt, sir.
Very
No
simple.
doubt, sir. No
Next,
doubt.
next, look at this.
Sir, can you go up once? Sir, not here in the question paper. Can you go up once?
Okay. Next.
Sir, the question, the graph of x equal to 9 is a straight line. That question I have doubt, sir.
Which one? Tell me.
The question number 10.
Sir, we don't know y value, right?
He is talking about, look at this, the graph of x is equal to 9. No need of knowing y value, man. Look at this, x is equal to 9 means can be written as x is equal to 9. It is a linear graph. It is a linear equation, right?
Yes, sir.
Linear equation graph will be what now? Straight line. It can be either parallel to x or y. He is talking about x values. So it will be, of course, parallel to y axis.
Okay, sir.
Understand? X is equal to 9, man. No need of knowing the y value.
Okay, sir.
Are you getting my point? Look at this. Let me tell 1 second, guys. X is equal to 9 means on x-axis, what is going to be y value? Tell me. Basically, what I'm telling, on x-axis, what is y value?
Sir, 9.
No, man. Listen to me. X is equal to 9 is a solution. So if you know y value, on x-axis, what is my y value? 0. On x-axis, what is y value here? 0. So 9 comma 0. 9 comma 0 will be 9 comma 0 will be here. 9 comma 0 will be here, no? Isn't it? 9 comma 0.
Yes, sir.
So if you take 9, this is my 0. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So this is 9. So this is now straight line. So which is equal to, which is straight line? So which is parallel to y-axis, as simple as that. Any doubts?
No doubt, sir.
No doubt, sir.
Okay, very simple, guys. So guys, x is equal to 9 given, so y value will be 0. Why? Because on x-axis, y value will be 0. Look at this now. Here now he has given y is equal to a. Y is equal to a means x value will be 0. On y-axis, x value will be 0, right? Now you plot 0 comma a. 0 comma a means it will be here. This is my graph, which is parallel to x-axis. Understand? Understand? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Next question. So, x minus 4 is the equation of what?
Line
minus
parallel
four
to
or
y-axis.
minus four?
Don't, he is not asking.
Line parallel to.
X minus 4 is a line parallel to y-axis, not a simply y-axis. If you
Sir,
write,
I have doubt.
1 second, man, let me complete. Don't interrupt, please. See, x minus 4 is a line. X minus 4 is the equation of what? It is the equation of a line which is parallel to y-axis. Understand? Tell me, now you can ask the doubts.
Like, sir, it should be x is equal to 4, right?
Sir, it's both A and B, right?
Sorry?
Sir, in the 15th question, I had a doubt. B, since they told the equation of a line parallel to the y-axis, which is 4 units above, that means when they mean above, that means it's positive, right? Because when you go down,
Yes,
it's
sir.
negative. So it's supposed to be the correct answer is supposed to be A, x equals to 4, right?
Yes, sir. Same
Yes,
question.
sir. Same doubt.
That's the question.
No,
I
but
had.
the thing is like it is above the origin, right? So it should be -4 also and +4 also.
But above the origin is the center point. Above the origin, it's
Yeah.
4
Yeah,
units
triple
above.
positive.
Yeah, that means
Answer?
positive. Yeah.
Guys,
No.
1 second, let me tell you. Do you want to talk to yourself or do you want me to teach? I didn't ask you to ask the doubt, right? I'm in 14th question. Still, you're talking about 15th question again. I didn't come to the 15th question, right? Can't you wait for a minute, please? See, you have to wait. Like 14th question we are in. 15th question, next question is 15th one. So let
Yeah,
us
I thought
finish the
you were in
14th one.
15th
X
question.
minus 4 is the equation of what? Is a line parallel to y-axis. Very simple. Any doubt, guys?
No doubts.
Guys, look at this here.
Yeah, sir.
Thing is x minus 4. It is what? This is a line, which is a linear equation, right? It's a line which is equal to, which is parallel to y-axis. Why it is parallel to y-axis? If I write x is equal to 4, x is equal to 4 means y value will be 0. Y value 0 means 4 comma 0. 4 comma 0. If you plot means what will you get? You will get here somewhere, which is parallel to y-axis. This is my x-axis. This is my y-axis, right? 4 comma 0 you will be getting here, man. 4 comma 0, which is this is a line. This is a line which is parallel to y-axis. So that is the option is correct. There is a line parallel to y-axis. So 15th question, the equation of a line parallel to the y-axis and 4 units above the origin is. X-axis, now y-axis. This is my origin. The equation of a line parallel to the y-axis and 4 units above the origin. Parallel to what? Is saying parallel to y-axis. Parallel to y-axis means, guys, look at this here. It can be like this, and also it can be like this. Wait 1 second. And above the origin is saying.
Sir, it is
The parallel to the line of y-axis, not
So
x-axis.
parallel to the line of y-axis, it's straight, right?
Sorry, parallel to the line. 1 second, guys. Yes, I understood. Parallel to the line which y-axis, right? So this will be like this. It could be on positive x-axis and it could be on negative x-axis. So answer D is correct. He's talking about above. Above the it is also can be above. It is also can be above. If you look at like this, guys, if you write, if you tilt the axis, and what I'm saying is, if you tilt the axis, if you make y-axis in horizontal way and x-axis in a vertical way, if you tilt and say this is also going to be above, this is above origin, this is also above origin only. Both are above origin only, which has 4 units both. So it can be -4 and both +4, right? So option D is correct. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Option D is correct.
Yes, sir.
Understand, guys? So above the origin means, look at this here. If he says like that, parallel to the x-axis, then I would have written option whatever the Aditya said. Aditya only, right?
Akshit, sir.
Sorry,
Akshit, sir.
Akshit. So next question. 16th one is what? 2 comma minus 3 is a solution of that thing. What is k value? Very simple, yeah. Very repeated question. Done. So option B is correct. 6 will be getting. Any doubt in 16th one? Any doubt?
Okay, sir.
No, sir.
Yes.
Sir, I did not understand question number 15, sir. Like the answer is D or above the
Option
axis.
D.
Sir, I did not understand. So can you please explain?
One second. This is my origin. He's saying that a line parallel to y-axis means it can be on positive x-axis, it can be on negative y-axis, a negative x-axis, right? So which means what? From origin it has also 4 units. It is also has 4 units, which means it will be having left hand side of origin. It will be right hand side of origin, right? He's saying that above the origin means what? Above the origin means what? So parallel to axis means this is also above, this is also above. If you tilt, guys, which one is going to be above?
Sir, a doubt.
Yes.
Sir, when you tilt it, the y-axis becomes the x-axis, right? Because the line which is below is the x-axis, referred as the x-axis, and the line which is above is
one second. This will become y-axis, this will become x-axis, right?
Yes.
Isn't it? Now what I'm saying, this is my origin. This is my origin. I'm talking about above the origin. Above the origin means what? See, if you are not tilting it, let us say above the origin means what would you consider here? How can you consider this is above origin? How can you consider this is below origin? Above origin means, do you consider only positive values? It's talking about units, right?
So then both of them are not above origin, right?
Sorry?
Then both of them are not above origin, right? They're on the origin line.
They're on the origin means on 4. I mean 4 units. What is the distance between the origin and this one? So which is going to be -4 and +4. So this is what I prefer. Option A and D is correct. And guys, look at this here. And many of you might have written above origin means +4. So option A might have written. How many of you wrote option A?
Sir, I have written option
Sir,
A.
me.
Sir, it was
I've
generally
written
when we talked
option A as
about
well.
above, sir, we talked about positives.
Sorry? Yes.
So when
Yeah, I
above-
understand. Many of you, generally talk about, positives. Above means positives. If you take, above means you'll take +4, below means you'll take -4. So if you consider this, even I too thought I changed the option. After that, option was A only. Initially the option A only, but later on I changed the option A and B. It can be A and B also. So that's how I changed. Okay, guys, not an issue. So I'll give marks for everyone. This one. Okay, I'll give +4 to everyone.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Or else
Okay,
see
sir.
here. No. Look at this here. See, this time I will be not giving extra marks. I'll do, see, exam was for 80 marks, right? I'll conduct the exam for 76 only. I'll calculate for 76.
Okay, sir.
So I'm removing
Okay,
that
sir.
question. I'm removing this question now. So even you got correct, your marks will be getting deducted. So you have to be, now you are going to compete with the 19 question now. So your maximum marks is what? 76. 94.
Sir, sorry to interrupt, but just have a doubt, sir. Since you're removing that question, we'll also have -1 mark, right, sir? Since we got the wrong question, like we get the wrong answer.
No. Yeah, you will get that. See, what I'm telling is, for suppose if you have 80 marks, okay, out of 80,
Yes, sir.
if you are getting one question wrong, 1 + 4, total 5 marks you will be losing. So total your marks is 75. Getting my point?
Okay, sir.
That's how. So I'm removing 76. So maximum marks is 76 now. Out of, this is 19 question, right? 19 questions. Out of which, if you are getting 17 question correct, means 17 4 how much? 68. So 68 minus 2 questions got wrong, -2. So 66. Your 66 score. That's how I'll be calculating. Getting my point?
Yeah, sir.
So you
Yes,
cannot
sir.
attempt all the negative, you cannot attempt all the questions. If you do not know, you have to leave it, or else you will be losing -1 from the total score. Getting my point? From the total score, your mark will be getting deducted. So be careful. So
Okay, sir.
basically, if you take above means positive only, yeah, even I do agree with that, and below means negative only. But let me check it out again. Why? Because I do feel that it can -4 and +4. So
Sir,
let's.
I think so that above is positive and below is negative only for the y-axis.
Sir, but if you even switch it right side, the y-axis which you told becomes the x-axis since it's down, right?
Yeah. That's what I'm thinking about. When you do that, coordinate axis will get interchanged. X will come in place of y will come in place of x. So it will get interchanged. Yeah. So that's what let us discuss later that one. So excluding that question, I'll be calculating it. Okay. So next question. 16th one is finding k value. Very easy. Option B is correct. 17th one, graph of linear equation x plus y passes through the point. What?
1 and -1.
1 or -1. D option is correct. So option A is not possible, B is not possible, C is not possible. The only possible option is D. Right? So the linear equation 2x plus 5y is equal to 8 is what?
Infinitely many solutions.
Infinitely many solutions, sir.
Yes, infinitely many solutions. The graph of x plus 3 is equal to 0 is what? Is a line parallel to y-axis, distance of 3 units, isn't it? So guys, option C is correct. Parallel to y-axis, distance of 3 units to the left of y-axis. Why? Because x is equal to -3 I'm getting, right?
Yes, sir.
-3.
Yeah, sir.
So only possible option is C option. So next 20th question, the graph of x plus 3 is a line parallel to the y-axis at a distance of, okay, that's one. So graph of a line x is equal to 3 passes through the point. Man, graph of x is equal to 3 passes through x is equal to 3. On x-axis, y value will be 0. So 3, 0.
So 3, 0. Option C.
So this is what the question paper discussion is all about, guys. Any doubt from this?
No, sir.
1 second, guys. 1 second. So 1 second. So let me check it out once. So this is what, right, guys? Look at this here. Bhargav got 19 question correct. So one question is wrong. Let me check it out. Marks one. We'll discuss about marks one by one. So Bhargav, is it your marks, guys? Your marks only, right?
Yes, sir.
Sir, it's
Yes.
our marks.
Kavya got 17 correct. Okay. Bhargav got 19 correct.
Sir, but I should get 17 of 19, sir.
Yes. See, I'll
Can you edit my name as Harini, sir?
Where is your name?
15 plus.
15th. Yeah. No
It's
issue.
my surname.
I have already your names. Don't worry. So I'll be calculating it. Don't worry. So percentage 100 plus percentile 100 marks after 75 93.75. Okay, guys, don't worry. I'll be giving these marks. Don't worry. So let us check it out once. Why it is showing your last name, middle name, first name, and school name, everything? So no need of all this. Okay. See, guys, 1 second. Bhargav got 19 correct. Parth Ahuja got 19. Ananya 19. Pranav got 19. So Piyush got also 19. So whoever got 19 for you, 100%, guys. Getting my point?
Yes, sir.
Those who got 19 for you, 100%. Why? Because 19 out of 19 you got corrected, excluding that question. So Jivika 18. Which question you got wrong, ma? So out of 19, you got 18. Okay, very good. So next, Mohit got 17. Sai Akshit got 17. Sujay got 17. Kavya 17. Gudapati Modita 16. Shreyan 16. Vedika 16. Mare Harini 15. Nitya 15. Khaji 15. Krishna Chaitanya 15.
Sir, I have a doubt.
Who's that?
Sir Akshit.
Yes, Akshit.
Sir, it shows rank 1 in topper.
Rank 1 in topper, right? Yeah,
Yeah,
that's
for
what.
me it shows rank 1 in topper. Sir.
Yeah, look at this here. Those who
Yeah,
got 19 for them, rank 1.
showing rank 1 and topper.
Yeah, those who got 19 for them, it is rank 1 only.
So, but here it says I got in 7. You've given me 17 here.
Yeah, sir.
And
Even
in
for me,
topper
it's
it
showing
shows
rank
me
one.
17.
Me also, it's the
And
same.
topper it shows
For
me
me
rank
also,
1.
sir.
1 second,
No,
1
sir, it
second,
was
man.
showing me 6.
Arey yaar, 1 second. See, if your marks is 17, my 17 in the sense you got 17 correct, which means you got wrong, right? You got few questions wrong, right? Or not all questions are correct.
Yeah,
right?
sir.
Why, Akshit, all your questions are correct?
No, sir.
No, right? So then that might be wrong, right? So what I'm telling is don't, what do you call it? Don't be follow that. Be whatever the marks you got, whatever the questions you got correct, be strict with that. Not an issue. Even it shows first rank over there, I'll be changing it. Not an issue. But the thing is, your questions, out of 17 you got, sorry, out of 19 you got 17 correct, which means your marks are how much now? 66 marks. Understand? So 2 questions got wrong, which means 8 marks deducted.
Yes.
Minus 2, because 2 wrong, negative mark we have. So 66 out of 76. Understand? So not an issue. See, guys, don't run behind the marks. Try to run behind the concept. Understand? So very good. Next, who is that? Harini. Sai Kruti 15. Kaji 15. Krishna Chaitanya 15. Sai Akshit. Your name is Sai Akshit or what?
Sir, that's not me. I'm
Okay.
not sure why it shows.
Okay. Cool. So Toshnika 15. Pantangi 15. Ashini 12 and Devasri 12. Why you are getting less marks always, Devasri and Ashini?
Sir, serial number 19, that's actually the other person named Akshit.
Yeah. Who is one more Akshit here? Who is
Less
one
than
more
1
Akshit?
minute is it?
Sir, he's
Sir,
not
sir,
present today.
Sir, it's less than a minute.
Yeah. So you can just rejoin the meeting.